Once you have completed Algebra 2 successfully and you have completed geometry, you are eligible to take Precalculus, which in our curriculum is called, for the time being, Functions and Analysis and Trigonometry. It's split into two different semesters. So Functions and Analysis, first semester, very standard Precalculus work, and Trigonometry, which is trigonometry, the measure of triangles, and also expanding that out to trigonometric functions and identities and how to apply them to solve problems. So in Precalculus, you spend time working really hard on condensing and connecting and clarifying all of your algebra skills so that you can clearly describe rational, polynomial, exponential, and logarithmic functions, and that you can represent them both with symbolic algebraic notation and also as graphs, and recognize what the graph tells you about a situation they might represent, and get good at using tabular models. So how do I represent a function in a table? When is this a useful way to think about it? And especially start building your verbal capacity to describe and connect with words, written or oral. What does all of this mean and how can I apply it? The point is to prepare you for success in calculus, which requires a very solid background in algebra, but also a strong awareness of the different kinds of functions that you will run into in calculus, and build an intuition about what kinds of situations they describe. To be successful in this course, you definitely have to do regular practice. You may need to memorize some formulas. You will need to learn and become comfortable with some new notation. And you have to be ready to constantly review and connect and ask yourself, how does this go with what I've learned before? When you successfully complete Precalculus, or functions analysis and trigonometry, you are ready to take calculus, either at the AP high school level or in college